Okay,
Great.
now, so we have this one set up. So now we have two options. We can
Mhm.
either set up the WordPress from the command line by editing wp-config.php, or we can go through the web interface and edit it graphically.
Okay.
So basically, I'll show you here.
Which way would you suggest?
It doesn't really matter.
What would be easier for a normal person to do?
Define normal person. Someone who's setting this one up in a command line is
Will
normal.
be a normal.
Anyway, I'll show you in the command line where to find that file. So
Okay.
We'll use our favorite V.
Which actually I wouldn't then suggest that way to do it.
And in our directory where we have our new domain, so WP10, there should be something called WP config. Config sample PHP. Okay, so since that's a sample, we need to copy it to the normal one. Copy sample to WP PHP.
So
Now-
this.
So basically, we created a copy of the sample to the proper file.
Mm-hmm.
So now we can edit the proper file, which will be used as a configuration file.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we are in that file. What we are looking for is what we need to do now is let WordPress know where is the database which we just created. So we are creating that link, and as you can see, here is a define the DB name, and here you have information database name here. So we would have to type in here the
Database name,
which we've created.
which in our case is WP10.
Yep. And then username.
Again, I would like to remind you to check how to actually edit the files and which commands to hit and exit.
What user
In
we created?
No, in editing
No,
the
here.
files.
I'm asking you. I don't remember. WP10 user.
Yes,
And then password.
I think so. Password.
Yeah, I hope that's what we did. Save and exit. Okay.
How can we test it, those changes that you made just a second ago?
See if it works.
Let's have a look.
So I think something went wrong, or I need to restart Aperture. Actually, a reload should do as well, if that's the case. Something did not go well.
I would suggest to check the user. I think it was correct. So this is another way we can access the and do the changes, yes?
Yeah, that's PHP MyAdmin interface, which allows you to use a graphical interface to check your database.
Fantastic. So anybody who actually
But that needs to be set up separately, so it's not a standard LAMP stack.
okay, so we'll do a separate training how to set it up. So this is a visual way we actually, it's VP10 user actually, that one. It's visually you can, okay, so we're on the web and we're choosing the language, which is English.
Site title.
Site title will be travels. I would say just capital T, please. I'm very sensitive on that.
You can capital S as well if you want.
Okay, username will be Monte Cristo, or Monster can be. Password. Figure out some passwords, easy to do. And I would suggest always copy your passwords to OneNote. Perfect. So this is where the installation takes place, and after that we'll be able to enjoy WordPress. Fantastic. Yep. Here we are.
And I guess if you wouldn't do those changes in that file,
you mean which changes exactly? You mean
setting up where is the database and so on?
Yes.
This configurator would ask you as well to put here details about database and so on.
Okay, so there's another option there, but it's great to set it up straight away.
Yeah.
So here we are on the WordPress. The next training will be how to actually upload the template to the WordPress.